Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Creative Mind. So today we are going to see a new chapter in maths, that is quadratic equations, chapter 4. So this chapter is about the name itself. You can easily find out that quadratic equation means nothing but which has degree as 2. Degree means what? The highest power. The highest power of the variable is called degree. Okay. For example, you take one equation like 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here variable is degree is 2, here it's 1, here it is 0. So hence here the highest power that is degree is 2. So hence this was a quadratic equation. So this is how we can find that something is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, so I think you understand what is a quadratic equation, and the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c belongs to real numbers. So remember that if a is equal to 0, like a 0 plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then this whole will be 0. Then we get bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the highest degree is, the highest power, the degree is 1, so it will become a linear equation. So hence, so that's why a should not equal to 0. So this was a main important point that you should remember. Okay. So let's go to the chapter. I have already said the general form of the quadratic equation, and here they have given c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Okay, so if you see any equations like this, like 2x square plus 3x plus 4, if you want to find the value of this x square, the value of x, then we have two methods. Okay, remember the two methods. That is factorization method. You know already the factorization method, like splitting the middle terms. That was a factorization method. Second method is quadratic formula, with the help of quadratic formula. Okay. The name of quadratic formula is Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya formula. Okay. He was the inventor who found the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is nothing but minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So with the help of this quadratic formula, or with the help of factorization method, we can find the value of x. Okay, so this is how we can find the value of x. And next one is the graphical representation of quadratic equation is parabola. Remember, okay, parabola, P-A-R-O-B-L-A, parabola. So next one is of the roots. So nature of the roots. So nature of the roots is nothing but if we got any value of x, if we got any answer like value of x, then what is the nature of the answer? The nature of the roots. So this answer is called roots. So what is the nature of the roots? So we have formula like b square minus 4ac, and this is called discriminant formula, or we can call it a delta. So if this delta is equals to 0, okay, if you have to substitute all the values of b, a, c in the equation. If this equation is this formula, then if this formula is equal to 0, then the real roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means real and different. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then they were conjugate, complex, not real roots. Okay, this is how we can find the nature of the roots. So now in this video we have seen each and every concept of the quadratic equation in two variable. Every concept is over. So in next session we will start the exercise. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Creative Minds.